Okay. Dr. Abdallah Zirava. I'm back here. I want to talk about how to create forms with Jotform. Jotform can be something new you're hearing for the first time, and my essence or my target is to introduce it to you. We would like to talk about what they call a form builder. This one, a form builder, is an aspect that helps you to create web forms quickly. A form builder is a tool that will help you create a form, a web form, quickly and easily. You use drag and drop. You create questions on your form. You create form fields where you want to put them, because it's just simply dragging and dropping. You can play with the colors and the structure of your forms. And if you want to create good looking forms and quickly, a form builder is the best tool for you. So I would like to talk about Jotform. Jotform is a free web app tool which help users to create forms online. You don't need to have any coding knowledge, or you don't need to know any code to create a form. And since this form is online, the users are saved from the issues of downloading and installing software and all that. So you do that quickly and you start using it immediately. I'll show you step by step in this video on how to create a Jotform. The first step I'm going to show you practically is how you create your account, and then you create your form. And in the second step, you'll see that you'll be given three options to choose from. Normally, you can choose to create a form from scratch. You start from scratch, or you can use a template, or you can import a form. For beginners, using templates is the best if you're a beginner. But if you're an advanced user of Jotform, you can create a form from scratch. If you have a form created on your computer, you can easily import it in Jotform and you use it directly without creating anything. So we'll go step by step, and I want to straight away demonstrate how we can go to Jotform. We can do jotform.com. So I'll put Jotform here. Maybe I can search for it, and then it brings many issues. Many aspects here. You can build a form for free. You can sign up. If you don't have an account, you can sign up, and if you have an account, you sign in. So you go to www.jotform.com, and it gives you a free online form builder to work with. So let's try to log in to jotform.com. You have an option to sign up with Google, or you can sign up with Facebook, or you can sign up with an email, and it is entirely free for you. So it will give you an opportunity to create powerful forms and to get it done quickly. So I have an account. I don't know whether I still remember my login details, but I have an account. Let me try to log in with Google so that I can sign in. So I have many Google accounts here, but let me try sign in with my account so that I can be able to log in. It is trying to sign me in. Yeah, I think I'm already in, because I've worked with yes, I'm in. It says hello Abdallah, and I can upgrade to a premium version. You can do many things, but I'm already logged in. Now it takes me straight to all the forms, all my forms I've worked with in Jotform. They are already here. So, but now I want to teach how to create a form. So you come to a button here, you get to this button, which states create form, and you click on it. Now, they have said I've reached my form limit, so I need to do what? To pay. I need to pay, so I don't know how I would go about this, because I really need to pay, because I've already created the forms that are supposed to have created at a premium version, at a basic version. So let me try to see whether I can delete one of these forms to see if I can be allowed to delete this one. Okay, so whether if I delete it, okay, it still states that I've reached my limit.